Sheikh, based on a hadith that Usman radiallahu anhu allowed the Sahaba to pray behind those who had come to kill him. Some say that it is permissible to pray before those Sufis who have deviant Aqeedah. Is it true?
Well, you don't have to go that far to indicate a ruling. The default is anyone whose prayer is valid for himself, his prayer is valid for those behind him. That's a rule of thumb. What does it mean? If a disbeliever comes, a Christian, a Jew, or someone pretending to be a Muslim, a Qadiani, an Ahmadi, a Baha'i, a Durzi, or someone who nullified his Islam and was labeled as a kafir for claiming that something in the Quran is wrong. He doesn't believe intoxicants are haram. You show him the Quran, he says, I don't believe it's haram. So such people, even if they pray for themselves, their prayers are invalid. Therefore, you cannot pray behind them, and your prayer would be invalid as well. If a person is deviant, he is an innovator, he innovates things in Islam that are not part of Islam, but he is still a Muslim. So he believes in the Mawlid, and he throws a Mawlid every year. Or he believes in innovated prayers or athkar or tawassul, etc., that does not reach or amount to shirk. Such a person is a Muslim. If he prays, his prayer is valid. Therefore, you can pray behind him, and your prayer would be valid as well. But is it the best thing for you to do? Of course not. If there is someone else who's following the correct aqeedah and does not innovate, you have to go and pray behind him rather than picking that person. But if you do not, and you insist on praying behind that innovator, your prayer is still valid